So the given questions says that find the mode of the following distribution. The data is given, and we need to know what is mode. So mode is the highest frequency. So by this we can determine which is a model class, and we can see 12 is the highest among these. So the model class will be 30 to 40. To find the mode, we need to know a formula, which is L plus F1 minus F naught divided by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. So F naught is the frequency of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the preceding model class, and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding model class. And H given to us is the height of every class, and L is the lower limit of the class. So we put those values, and we simplify them, and we get the answer as 34.17.